Hello friends, today we'll be going over the N3 grammar pattern verb te goran. It is in the second week, 6th day of the N3 practice book Nihongo so Matome. The meaning of verb te goran is the same as verb te mimas, which is to try and do something. Like kono okashi o tabete mimas is the same as kono okashi o tabete goran, which is try and eat this sweet. It means try and do a verb. Example, let's try an example sentence. The first one, try before giving up. Dekinai to ivu mae ni yatte goran. Before saying that I can't do it, try doing it. Another way to say this could be akiramete mae yatte goran. Verb te goran is also the same as verb te goran nasai. Goran, the word goran, is an abbreviation of the longer word goran nasai. I'm sorry. The second example, try and do it yourself. Jibun de shite goran nasai, or jibun de yatte goran, which also means jibun de yatte mimas. However, there is one key difference between verb te goran and verb te mimas. Verb te goran cannot be used for watashi, to talk about the first person. However, verb te mimas can be used for talking about the first person. Another sentence, kare to hanashite goran nasai, try speaking to him. Another example, shukudai o shite tesuto o ukete goran. After do your homework and then try to take up the test, or then try writing the test. This another similar example could be benkyo shite tesuto o ukete goran. That's it. This was a pretty straightforward, simple grammar pattern. Thanks for watching. I hoped you liked it.